Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got the new e-case from 2024 and we're looking for the Fiat Super Treasure Hunt. That's a dud regular, so I don't want that. I'll just put this behind. And then we have the Bat Mobile regular treasure hunt. That's the one. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah, oh, cool. I check that. And I also have the Skyline, which is what I'm after. Sweet, got one there, and it's 2 per pack. So let's see, it's a Honda. It's another Honda. Cool. It's a Benz. Yeah, right. Nice. I'll take that as well from my friend. Right, I'll just leave this behind. And then the Vespa. It's a bad card. Right, I'll leave it behind. And I'm looking for one more Skyline, which is here, I believe. Yep, that's the one. Awesome. Godzilla Skyline. Great. Then I've got the Mazda RX-7. Cool. That's an Era 6, right? It's got the side tamper missing here, so awesome. I'll grab that as well. What else we have? Got the Mazda, another Honda, which I'll leave behind, and this Volvo is also cool. It's a nice color. What else we have? That's pretty much it in this case, I guess. I'll leave these behind. Okay, and I've got the Land Rover Series 2, and then the Ice Charger, and then times 2, I guess. No, that's Aston Martin. That's good. Not an error in this case. Scotcher, another Honda. Yeah, that's it. Cool. All right. I was told that the Matchbox case is actually supposed to arrive, but there's none there. Just keep checking because a lot of stores have been getting the Chase cases. All right. Cool. So 1, 2, 3, and 5. Thanks for watching.